Hi there. This video is to show you guys how to use our new box structure. As you may know, Faculty Affairs shares a lot of stuff with the departments regarding order of assignment, faculty searches, and other stuff like that. So Box is a really awesome tool that we use to collaborate and share things with you. And in an effort to streamline and consolidate everything into one location, we are creating a new box structure. It'll look something like this. So the Faculty Affairs email has been given the same permissions as a department chair or a department admin assist in the School of Philosophy. So if you're in a different department, just imagine that your name and number are right here, but you'll have a folder that starts with your 5-digit department number, your department name, and then this phrase, Faculty Affairs Share. So if you click on it, you'll see a new level of folders that are broken down by academic year. We've only added stuff up to the 2020 to 2021 academic year. We will add stuff earlier than that as we move forward. But right now we have 2021 to 2022 right here, and then 22 to 23 right here. Moving forward for the 22 to 23 academic year, we will start adding stuff to this and sharing it with you. So just a FYI. But let's say we go into 21 to 22. You then have additional folders for the order of assignment, any searches that might have been done in that year, as well as any other miscellaneous documents. We will add new stuff to this as we move forward, but for right now, this is what we're starting with. So if we go to the order of assignment, you can see right here that we have documents for the order of assignment for the 2021 to 2022 school year for the philosophy department. I won't click on any of these, but if you needed to find those documents, this is where they would be. Additionally, say the same thing, 2020 to 2021 school year, order of assignment, others, and searches. Again, order of assignment is the only one that is populated right now, but we will be populating these additional folders as we go forward. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at facultyaffairs@mail.fresnostate.edu. Additionally, you can always pop into one of our office hours. The time and location for those are on our website. They are via Zoom. Gives us the ability to share our screen. You can share your screen. Just helps us, see what's going on a little bit more. So again, if you have any questions, feel free to contact us, and thank you for watching.